Hi, you guys. Hello, you guys. Hi. Hello, you guys. Hi. This is Weltha. Hi, you guys. Okay, you guys. So today we're gonna make a fried rib recipe. Yes, I have a fried rib on my show already, but it was the very first video that I ever made on YouTube. And today I want to update it, okay? Because back then, you guys, child, I did not know how to film. Well, you know, I got that filming in me, but I've learned a lot along the way. So today is going to be the updated version of my fried rib recipe. So come on, come cook with me. Let's make a fried rib recipe. And now it's been what, like 2 years? Yes, it's been 2 years. In November, it was 2 years that I've been on YouTube, so I've learned a little thing or two. So we're gonna make another fried rib video, okay? So it's gonna be a fried rib recipe, okay? So come on, come cook with me. Let's make some delicious fried ribs. Come on, you guys, come cook with me. Okay, guys, so better roll up these sleeves and let's get started. Okay, all right, let's start. Okay, first I'm going to show you all the ingredients, okay? Okay, guys, all right, so I have all my ingredients here. Okay, all right, you guys, so I have all my ingredients, so let me show you a closer look at the ingredients, okay? Okay, guys, so you're not gonna need that many ingredients for this because we're just making the ribs. So this time I'm just gonna use the cornstarch. Only cornstarch, no flour, okay? And then I'm gonna use my seasoning, and I'll show you what seasonings I'm gonna use, okay? So come on, let's make these ribs. Okay, let's roll these sleeves up. And we're gonna make these ribs. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, so here's a closer look at everything you're gonna need. Okay, you're gonna need your ribs, and I have pork ribs, okay? These are all pork ribs, okay? So that's what we're using, pork ribs. Okay, and then you're gonna need some cornstarch, okay? I'm only using cornstarch, not flour, to fry these, okay? And I put my cornstarch in the bowl, okay? All right, and then you guys, we're gonna need some salt, some pepper. We're gonna use some garlic herb seasoning, some onion powder, and some garlic powder, okay? So this is all we're gonna need for this fried rib recipe, okay, you guys? That's it. All right, let's get started. Okay, guys, so yes, I'm gonna use my hands today, so I don't feel like looking for my gloves, so hold on. Okay, so what we're gonna do is season up the ribs. So first I'm gonna put some salt, okay, pepper, I'm a pepper girl. I like a lot of pepper. Okay. All right, now we're going to use some garlic herb. I want these to be seasoned really good. Whew, about to sneeze. I guess it's seasoned good. I'm sneezing. Okay, and then I'm going to use onion powder. That's all of that. And then we're going to use some garlic powder. These are gonna taste so good, you guys. All right, so next, you guys, all we're gonna do is just stir all this together. Make sure the ribs are seasoned very well. Then we're just gonna dip them over there in the cornstarch, and off to the stove we go. The cooking oil is getting hot already, okay? Look at all that spice. That's what I want. All right. Okay, you guys. So now we're gonna go to the stove. Maybe I should just batter them all up first. Okay, so I'm gonna batter all of my ribs first. Hold on, you guys. I need to get something to put them in. Okay, I got a bowl to put them in when I finish putting the batter on the ribs. Okay. This cornstarch is going to make them extra crispy. I love using cornstarch on my fried foods. That's my secret to making my food crispy when I want it crispy. Sometimes I mix the flour with it, but sometimes I don't. Like tonight, I'm not mixing the flour with it. It's just the cornstarch. So they're going to be extra crispy. Okay, and that's the gist of it, you guys. That's all you're doing. Season up your pork ribs, and you batter them. Shake it off like that. Do each one just like that. Okay, and I will speed up the video. Well, maybe I won't. Okay. I've been wanting some ribs for a while now. So tonight is the night, honey. And what we're gonna eat with these ribs, you guys, which I won't show you guys, but on another video you will see the other dish that I made for these ribs, which are some black-eyed peas. So I made some black-eyed peas, a big pot of them with some smoked turkey meat. Coming soon. That video's coming next, okay? So make sure you guys set your notification bells so you know when I release that video, because that would be my very next video. My black-eyed peas with smoked turkey meat. And it's so delicious with these ribs, you guys. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Okay, I didn't have a chance to make it on the very new year because I was working between both jobs, honey. I didn't have time to cook, but I did. I cooked, but I didn't film a full normal video. So today I felt like filming, and you guys, guess what? It's my birthday week. That's why I'm so happy and I'm filming, because I'm in a good mood, you guys. It's my birthday week. I'm blessed to live another year. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you for your blessings, God. Thank you for letting me live another day, another year. So I'm truly grateful for that. So now, you guys, I'm filming and I'm so happy because it's my birthday week. Okay? All right, so we'll do this later. So right now we have enough ribs to go over to the stove. So now we're gonna go over to the stove after I wash my hands and get myself cleaned up. Okay? And then we're gonna fry the ribs. Okay, you guys? So I'll see you soon. Okay, guys, so we're at the stove and we're gonna fry up all of these ribs, okay? And I want to say, take some time and say Happy New Year to you all. Happy New Year's to all my subscribers, to anyone that's watching my videos. Happy New Year, and I hope you all have a blessed year from Weltha. Okay? All right, let's fry up the ribs. Okay, guys, so we're gonna get started. Let me get the good ones, the good shaped ones. Okay, hold on. All right, let's fry up these ribs. That's one, you guys. Let's see how many I can fit in here. You have to put a lot of oil in your pot to deep fry them. If you have a deep fryer, use that. Okay. I lost count, child. I forgot how many I put in, you guys. I think it's like maybe 6. There might be more. But whatever size pot you have, if you have enough, put as many as you can in there, but not too many. I think that's all I can fit, okay? All right, you guys. So we're gonna let these cook until they're golden brown on one side, and then we'll flip them over, okay? Delicious fried rib recipe coming up. It's in the making, you guys. And then when I'm done frying the ribs, you guys, I got some gravy that I made a few minutes ago, so I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of gravy on top of them. Okay. All right, so we're gonna let those cook. You don't have to put a lid over it. We're just gonna let them cook until they're golden brown on one side, and then we're gonna flip it over and let them get golden brown on the other side, and then they will be ready. Okay, so I'll be back in a few. Okay, guys. All right, so they're brown. They're golden brown. Look at that. So we're gonna flip them over, okay? So that took about 10 minutes, or close to 10 minutes, for them to turn golden brown, you guys. Lord, it looks so good. Look at that. You see that? Ooh, crispy fried rib. Okay, guys, so they're ready to take out, okay? Look at that. Ooh, look at that. Delicious fried ribs. Ooh, you see that color? Well, let me pick it up by the end so you can see the color. Look at that, you guys. Ooh, child. Sorry, guys. Hold on. All right. Look at that. Ooh. Don't that look good? Delicious. Fried ribs. You see that? Fried ribs. Okay. All right, that's the first batch, you guys. Ooh, they're gonna be so good. So delicious. If you haven't tried fried ribs, you guys, try it. So good. I'm sure you're gonna love them. Okay, so time for the next batch. Okay, let's take these out, you guys. We're done. Let me turn the stove off. Okay, all done. All right. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do next, okay? So I'll meet you over on the other side, okay? And there you have it. Look at that, you guys. You have fried ribs. All right. That's them fresh out the skillet or the pot. Okay. So now, you guys, let me show you what I'm gonna do. I want a little gravy on top, okay? So hold on. Let's do something else to the ribs, okay? But first off, I just want you guys to take a good look at them. Ooh, they so good, you guys. So good. Okay, what I want to do now, you guys, is just drizzle a little bit of gravy on top of these, okay? So I have my gravy that I cooked. Homemade gravy I made, you guys. I just want to drizzle some gravy. Ooh, it's gonna be so good. Don't that look good, you guys? Ooh. So, some nice homemade gravy. All right, there we go. Just a little touch more. Okay, there we go. Gravy. Ooh. I can't wait to eat. Okay. Okay, you guys. There you have it. Okay. Let's go. She gotta get on the spinner. And there you have it. And there you have it. You have some delicious pork fried ribs. This is a pork fried rib recipe, you guys. And I drizzled some homemade gravy on top of it to make it just so delicious. Don't that look delicious, you guys? Try this. See what you think, you guys. See if you like it. I'm sure someone is gonna love them in your household. Yeah, that's what I wanted you to do. There we go. Don't that look delicious, you guys? It's showing off for you. Delicious pork fried ribs with a drizzle of gravy, homemade gravy. And there you have it. Okay. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. And please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Thank you guys.